So here is what you can do if you cannot access the full size of your disk. So in my case, I have this USB flash drive, and let's try to plug it in. Okay, and I plugged it in, and as you can see, it says that the size of this disk is about 2 gigabytes, but in reality, it's supposed to be over 100 gigabytes, so Windows only see a very small amount out of it. Here is how we can quickly fix it. First, we need to right-click on the Windows Start menu, and from here, we're going to choose Disk Management, okay, this option. And as you can see here 2 disks. So this is the main disk, my internal SSD, and this is the USB flash drive that I just plugged in. Now, as you can see, the reason is that it has 2 different partitions, or 2 different volumes. It has this one, the first one, to which the letter D was assigned, and its size is only about 2 gigabytes. But most of the disk size is actually on this partition, to which we cannot access. So here is what we're going to do. We're going to right-click on this partition, and we're going to delete volume, okay? It's letting us know that it was not created by Windows, but by another operating system, and this is fine. I want to use it in Windows, and I don't care about the content in this partition. I do want to emphasize that it will delete everything that you have in this partition, so if you have anything important there, back it up first. In my case, I don't have anything important there, so I want to delete this partition, so yes. And as you can see, this space is now unallocated. What we're going to do now is right-click on the existing partition, and we're also going to delete this one. So once again, I'm going to delete volume. And once again, I'm emphasizing that all of the content that's currently on the disk will be deleted. So if you have anything important there, back it up. I don't have anything important, so I'm going to delete this partition, so yes. And now all of the disk space in this disk is unallocated space. So now we can right-click on it and create a new simple volume. We need to click on Next. Then we need to choose how much disk space we want to allocate to this new volume. And for me, I want to allocate all of the disk space, so Next. We now need to assign a new drive letter. So choose any letter that's not in use. I just go with the one that Windows suggested, which is E. This is fine. Then we can click on Next. We're going to format this volume, and the file system is going to be NTFS. So this is what I'm going to choose. And I am going to make sure that this checkbox is checked. Perform a quick format. This will make the operation much quicker, and now we can click on Next. So it's showing a summary of what's about to happen, and let's click on Finish, and we need to give it a second. And as you can see, the new volume was created, the new disk is now available, and it's completely available and accessible.